Hi guys! Today we're going to restore WhatsApp messages. This method is simple and works perfectly if your chat backup is already turned on, so let's jump straight into the steps. First of all, unlock your phone and come to your home screen. Now gently long press on the WhatsApp app icon until multiple options appear on the screen. This step is important because we need to remove the app properly before restoring chats. Don't worry, your data is safe as long as backup is enabled. Once the options appear, tap on Remove App. After that, you'll see another option saying Delete App, so go ahead and click on it. This completely removes WhatsApp from your phone, which is necessary for restoring messages later. Honestly, this step feels risky, but trust the process here. Now, open your App Store or Play Store from the home screen. Look at the top right corner and tap on the search icon. This is where we'll download WhatsApp again, so make sure you're logged into your store account. Luckily, this part is very quick and straightforward. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and open the official app from the results. You'll now see the Install button, so tap on it and wait for the app to download. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection during installation. Once installed, we're just a few steps away from restoring our chats. After installation, open WhatsApp. Tap on Agree and Continue, then enter your phone number for verification. WhatsApp will send you a verification code, so complete this step carefully. This is where WhatsApp starts checking for your existing backups. Now, if your chat backup was turned on before, you'll see the Restore Chats option. Simply tap on Restore and WhatsApp will start recovering your old messages. This may take a few minutes depending on your backup size, so just be patient. And that's it. Your chats will come back automatically once the process finishes. And that's how you can easily restore your WhatsApp messages without stress. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Also, drop a comment below and tell me if your chats were restored successfully. I'd love to know.